This content is indeed late, as was episode 16, and here's why. This was after the main storm passed. Couldn't go outside in the storm. It was wild.
Well, Merry Christmas. I didn't even look at the roof. No power, but lots of water. Merry Christmas. There you go. Hole in the roof.
We do have some good storms in Queensland, but this was something else. It sounded like a freight train coming, and when these branches hit the house, oof, didn't sound good. And this is after the main storm rolled in. Again, it was just too wild to go outside during the storm. So yeah, weather kept me busy.
Boss ass bitch. Boss bitch. Boss ass bitch. Boss bitch. Boss ass boss ass bitch.
I naively started this build project and associated YouTube journey without any real detailed planning. I soon realised quite the opposite was required. I knew absolutely nothing about content creation when I started. Didn't know how to shoot it, how to edit it, how to upload it. Guess that's how everybody starts. Hopefully it's getting better. Guess you'll be the judge of that. Blender was my first intro into video editing. I used it for the 3D modeling intro. It's a great free open source product. Did the intro really well, but found out pretty rapidly it really didn't do the video editing very well, in my case anyway. I then moved to CapCut. It's another free piece of software and it's great. It's pretty simple to use, lots of transitions, lots of options, really good, really like it. But still, I spend as many hours in CapCut as I do in the garage. That's a reasonable question, and I am keeping a track of what I spend and what this project costs. Don't think there's a great deal of point in going into the exact cost right now, as it's a shell, but I will go through that once it's done, or once it's running at least, so you have a clue as to what it costs to get one of these monsters on the road. However, how do I continue to keep this project going? Well, let's call them donors. And the first was my daily driver, my SQ5, the best Audi I've owned. I loved it, but it had to go to pay for the real donor car, the Coupe Quattro, imported from the UK. It then also paid for some tools, a refresh of the garage, and a little bit left over. And the little bit left over was to buy the next donor. Try and pick something up that needs a little bit of work, fix it up, run about in it for a little while, then get rid. First up was this 4.2 Quattro A8. I loved it. Makes me want another one. But I'm always open to new opportunities to make money, so thought about this. Fat old Yorkshire bloke might be special interest, but then again, special interest could command a higher price. Cheers!